2018 BMW X3 M40i Quickspin Review, embracing the inflexible influx of events. It must have startled the neighbors. Hell, it startled me. The 2018 BMW X3 M40i is a far louder auto than you'd expect, with a chattering buzz of fumes take note of that cut through the generally serene Portlandian morning. I timidly glanced around for somebody in an Outback scoffing at the Phytonic Blue BMW recklessly reporting its essence. Here's the thing, however, it's as yet peculiar to hear sports auto commotions radiating from a conservative SUV. It simply doesn't register. That the M40i and its 355-pole twin-turbo inline-six gets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds truly fries the circuit sheet.